Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download the Toy Blast game on your PC. So let's get started right away. Now, in order to install the Toy Blast game on your PC, you will need to install an Android emulator such as BlueStacks. So open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in bluestacks.com and press enter. Now from the home page, just click on the download button and this will download the BlueStacks emulator on your system. Open up the installer and click through the next buttons. And once the installation is completed, open up BlueStacks on your device. Now, once you have access to your Android home screen, just open up the Google Play Store and then tap on the search box and type in Toy Blast and start your search. Once you find the game, just tap on it and then tap on the install button. And now this will install the Toy Blast game on your device. Once the installation is completed, you will see the play button, which you can tap on in order to open up the game. And this will also create a shortcut on your desktop for the Toy Blast game, which you can double click to launch the game. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the Toy Blast game on your PC. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.